First, open the Cofinex app and tap on the staking section. Now, choose the cryptocurrency you want to stake. Next, select your preferred staking period based on the duration and reward rate that works best for you. Choose the wallet you want to stake from, either your funding wallet or spot wallet. Enter the amount you'd like to stake. Here, you'll be able to see your estimated earnings based on your selected amount and staking period. Once everything looks good, tap on Confirm to complete your staking. Now go back and tap on Active to check your order detail.
Important notes. Always verify the selected network before making a transfer. Sending funds to an incorrect network may result in permanent loss. Deposits require blockchain confirmations before reflecting in your account. Security reminder. Cofinex will never ask for your password, OTP, or private keys. Always use official Cofinex platforms only. Need assistance? If you face any issues, please contact Cofinex customer support or visit the Help Center for more tutorials.